In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean contacts in Manychat. This is an essential task for maintaining the health and efficiency of your subscriber list, ensuring that you're able to engage effectively with your audience. It only takes a few minutes to complete, so let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head on over to manychat.com. This is where we'll be executing all of our contact management tasks today. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do that now using your credentials. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to the Manychat dashboard. Here, you have access to all the tools and features you need to manage your chatbot and subscribers. Next, you're going to want to navigate to the Contacts tab. You can find this on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this tab will bring up a list of all your current contacts. This is an important area because it's where you can view and manage the individuals who interact with your bot. Now, if you're looking to clean up your contact list by deleting multiple contacts, here's how you can do it. First, you'll want to identify the contacts you wish to remove. To do this, simply check the boxes next to the names of the contacts you want to delete. This action will enable a new set of options for you. Once you've selected the contacts, look towards the top of the page. You'll notice a button labeled Bulk Actions. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options for managing your contacts. For this task, we're interested in the Delete Contact option, so select that from the list. At this point, Manychat will prompt you with a confirmation field to ensure you really want to delete these contacts. This step is crucial in preventing accidental deletions. To confirm, you'll need to type the word Delete into the field provided. Once you've done that, click the Delete button to finalize the process. And there you have it. The selected contacts will now be removed from your list. Regularly cleaning up your contact list helps improve your engagement and ensures that your messages reach the right audience. It's a simple task, but one that makes a big difference in how you manage communications with your subscribers. Thank you for joining me today and following along as we cleaned up our contacts in Manychat. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy chatting.